Hi, this is Ramki again. I already uploaded the video for how to do, I mean, those who want to learn AS400, those who want to learn AS400, where in my first video, I given some introduction. Okay, but in at the end of the video, we cannot able to connect the server. So this video is mainly I'm going to tell you how to access the free server where you can use the free user ID and password to log in. So first, at the same time, those who are new, you can use the below link to download the TN5250 emulator, or those who want to search this emulator in Google and you can download and install it. Then what I'm going to do is we will set up the IP address as this one, or just key in www.pub400.com. This pub400.com, they are the one giving us a free server for us to do programming. Where okay, I just go there first. Okay, once you install the TN5250J, you will see the logo like this, TN5250J. Okay, you can double click this. Once you double click, you wait for a while. Okay, welcome to TN5250J. Now you can click add, then just click whatever the naming you want to put the section name. I just put AS400. Then TCP IP, either you can type www.pub400.com or just key in the IP address which I given in the screen. Sorry, in the screen. Okay, this IP address 185.113.4.134. Okay, so after that just click add. Once you added, let's proceed to connect. Okay, once you connect, you will see it will open the uh, that emulator is opening and connected with the server. So welcome to pub400.com, your public IBM iServer. Okay, here they already providing a free server for us to access the AS400, where you can learn whatever you want. So this video, I'm trying to guide you Cobalt 400. I know those who are already know RPG, so many tutorial they are teaching in YouTube, but so far I saw the Cobalt 400 no one is teaching in YouTube, so I prefer to teach Cobalt 400. So before that, this is the basic thing. So once you go into the PUB 400, those who want to create a user ID, here they already say no need to create. They already provided so many unknown, I mean it's a free user ID which is already created and we can access, like a username is a user any number within 500. Okay, 0 last 4 digit is within 500. So 0 1 2 3, then the password should be a lowercase. So we try here something like I will change to 345 user 0345. Okay, so it will take you to the AS400. Now hi guys, now we are in IBM OS400 server. Okay, so this is the platform where we are going to learn. Okay, in my previous video I already given the details, something I teach you already what is mean by uh, what is mean by object oriented, I mean what is mean by the AS400 and all, correct? Just we go through where I already told you this AS400 is a collection of objects. Okay, it's actually is an object oriented computer, meaning that everything is stored as an object. I told you already these things. Those who want to learn about, you just go back and clarify, I mean check my previous video. So I already told you it's like we have to create one main library. In that main library we are going to create a separate source physical file. Then in the source physical file all the program is going to be added. After that we compile the source physical file to create as an object. The object means it's the object is which can easily understand by the system. So that is what I'm trying to say here. These two programs, these are source codes. These source codes are computed as object. Once the object is created, all the objects is under this main library. Okay, so first we try to create a library. I told you here in my video, I already told you, we have so many types of libraries. System libraries, which is already predefined libraries. Production libraries is also already there, but now what we are going to do is a user library. So we try to create first. Let's see. So we already told you that create lib ram lib. Okay, let's see. uh, Create. First we try to see the current library. What are the libraries is stating there. So display lib, display lib, display library. So if you enter, you can see that here it says sys means system library, which I'm trying to here I say system library. Then you see so many system library. PUB400 system libraries, they are the one this PUB400 is providing. So these are QSys. Whatever the library name start with Q, SYS is a system library. Those are predefined one. This one is the one, the user 04351 43 sorry 0 user 03451 is the current library, which is they are providing. They created the library. Let's see first if you we try to create a new library, will it allow or not. If we allow, we can add here again. Okay, let's see first. Create crt lib, create lib f4. See, it's not authorized, so we cannot create the library, but this is the command to create. You can create a library, create lib, then you can put the library name. Then it will be like, now the library name they already created as a the existing library. Here we saw the display library, they already created as a user 0. So we can say user uh, 04351 they already created, which is already existing. So we assume that it's already created, we are using the same library name. So where we are going to create some source physical file. So I told you that we have so many utility to go and create something like programming development tool, use str pdm command or work member pdm. So maybe I just put whatever the command is going to explore. Str pdm is a start. Then you see here option 1, we work with library. 2 for with work with objects, and 3 for members. I already told you this is 1 means library. So if you just put star libl means it will list the library which currently they have. Okay, it will list all the libraries. These are the libraries under it's libl is nothing but is the current library. See, libl is display the library list. The list is in the same order of as the jobs library list. Okay. Now we go back. Okay, sorry, I F12. So F12, I come back. Okay, so 2 means it's objects. What are the objects is currently under the library? So if you put, we put the library name object. If you put all, what I told you already in my video, in my screen previously, the details which I explain you, object name, object type, and attribute. So here the object name is it could be anything. So we put star also, it's going to display all the object. And what are the object types? So if you put object type, it's going to display this. Attribute means it's going to display pf source. Pf source is the physical file. So if you want something specific, maybe we put star all first. Let's see what are the attributes, what are the files is already existing. Okay, so you see here so many programs are already so many programs, I mean so many objects is already existing. So here you cannot view the you can view, but view in the sense you can view the, these are objects actually. uh, so display the program information. So 5 means it's going to display that object cl1. So like okay, let's see first one by one. So these all are objects, not a program. Okay, so I come out first. So as I say, using the strpdm, we can check the library, we can check the object, we can work with member now. So member, I go for member first. So if you go here, they already have an Naga SRC. So if you want to see what are the source physical file already have, just put F4 first. Just remove here. Just put F4. Where is it? Sorry. F4 and enter. You see they already have a lot of source. So here they already created, already existing. This is the actually system libraries QDDSRC, but QCBLSRC is not there, which I already told you here. The QCBLSRC. Let's see. I will try to create. I think CBLLESRC is there. This is also one of the COBOL, but CBLSRC is not there. Let's we try to create that one. Let's see first. So I just press F12. Create SRC put star PF. Okay, so this is the command CRT SRC PF. Then you can go and create plus QDDS CBL. So user, the library name is a user 03451. Then you can give some text, COBOL programming source. That's it. It's already created. Very good. So you see here the file QDDS CBL is created in the library. Okay. So now you can just go back and you can try 3 work with member. Just type here Q CBL SRC and then the libraries remain unchanged. Just enter CBL. It's not found. What I create just now. Sorry, what I create here just now. This okay. If whatever we did, if you don't know, then just go display job. Just check 10 F10, then page up. So there you will know what we are doing just now. What it's already created DDSCBL. So I think I put wrongly. It could be, sorry. It could be like I will try again 3 QDDSCBL or just put star F4. Yeah, C is there already. So okay. So I previously I think I typed wrongly. Sorry for thing. Okay, now I come here. So as I said, we already have this main library. So now it's a user library. Um, user 03451. Okay, so under this we already completed the QDDS SRC is existing already, someone created. Then now we already created this. So now if you want to create this program, okay, so if you want to create some program like maybe this one could be a CL. Before we go for COBOL, just create something. You see here now if you want to create sorry, F12. If you want to create the program under this source physical file, it's call it as a member. Okay, so if you want to create, just press F6 first to create. So or you can put strsu start. Either you can put F6, it's like a strsu, or you can just come out, you can type the command directly strsu. Okay, enter. Once you enter, it will directly taking there. Okay, sorry, you have to put F4 first. strsu F4. So it will take you here which source physical file. So if you say that the first source physical, just now we have q dds cbl. Oh, I put wrongly. Actually, cbl src. It's okay, never mind. Next one is user 340345 then source member new program. So I just create the program, maybe pgm 01 sample, correct? This one maybe I put the type as a CLP. So here we have that we already say we have a different attribute. So these are the attributes. Now we are creating the CLP. Just make sure how it works. Okay, just I put some description first. CL programming. Okay, I think we enter already. Just put PGM and NPGM. This is the syntax for to start create a program for CL. So when you start the CL programming, it's always start with PGM and NPGM. That's it. Just I save this one. Okay. Here I don't know whether can display ESP. Display. Later maybe I find the command and let you know. But now I just save the command. Okay, maybe I put something send message. Send message. Send user message. Maybe send user message. Sir MSG. Just press F4. Then I type something. Welcome to my first CL programming. Okay, let's see first what will happen. I save this one. Just save. Okay, SAVE. Then just press F3. It will ask you yes, change create the member. Just put yes. That's it. So here it says that member PGM01 added to the file. Okay, so we already have this one. Now we can 14. Just for 14 to compile. Okay, now the program is going to compile as a object. So before you compile, we make sure this object is already there or not. Work object PGM01. So this object, if it's already existing, then it's no use, correct? So we will first check whether it's already existing under this user 03451 library. So user 03451 slash pgm01. Check first, it's not there. So when we compile, it's going to be appear here. That is what I say that here. So once I compile the programs here, maybe I created wrongly anyway. PGM01. Once I compile, this PGM will appear under the main library. So like this, it could be like this. PGM01 is the object is going to create. Let's see first. I will so to compile the program. So we are going to compile the program as an object. So that system is converting the program source code as a system understandable language as an object. So if I put 14, you just once you put it, it's already say create CL program. So CRT CLP PGM. Then we are passing the program name source. Everything will be automatically taken. But if you want to type also can. So I just press now like this. Okay, it's already created. So it say that program PGM01 created in the library user 03451. So if I work object again, so if you want to retrieve the same command, just press F9. So here retrieve the previous commands, just press F9. So F9 you can see lot of commands whatever we key in earlier. Never mind. Now I just work object PGM01. If I enter, because currently we are under the same library, so it's going to be display. Even if you, because you see display lib, I told you already display lib is currently we are under this library. So the PGM01, when you put work object pgm01, it's going to search for this library. It's not found. It's not found in this library, so it's go and search for this library, then this library, the followed by when it reach here, it can find, so it's able to see this object here. Okay, hope you guys understand what is this. Let me next let in my next video, sure, I will start with my COBOL program, but here what I did here, something wrong actually. The DDS is not correct actually. I supposed to create the source physical file as a create src.pf as qdd, what user 03451 slash qcbl src. This is what I supposed to create, but I created wrongly. Sorry for guys. Sorry guys. Create srcpf. So the source file is wrong. So if I put f4, I can say it's creating. So this is my library, COBOL programming physical source pf. Okay, source physical file. So as I said, whatever we creating, everything is going to be object. So we can check here that work object. You can work object. This one is not caps. You can even small letter also can type. Now that doesn't matter. So if I put qcbl, if I don't know what I created the name, just I press F, so it will say that oh, cbl src also created. So here see, it's already created cbl src. Sorry guys, 1 second. So so many libraries are already created. So how we know is the library? So here they already say that star lib is a library, but what currently I created as a source physical file. So this one, the see is this is the source physical file cbl src, which is under the library, this library. So I already say COBOL programming source pf. Okay, let me check. Maybe I go, if I go here, nothing is going to be there. Maybe we check here what source code is already existing. Okay, if I go back, I just go back here again. 3 q cbl src is going to be empty. But if you know the names qcbl LLESRC, this is a existing library, correct? This is also empty, so never mind. So next video I will prepare with some programming, with do something in COBOL 400. I mean, sorry, yeah, COBOL 400. Sorry guys, I will come back again, but we will start programming directly. Okay, so those who not familiar the command, just try here, explore something, like user task means what is the user task, everything here they already given. So you try everything here. Sorry, I come up. Okay, see here they already, oh, we never called the program, correct? Just now str pdm, just now what we created, the ddscbl, this one we create the program. This program is already object, correct? So if you want to call the program, call pgm01, or else you have to put the library name followed by the program name, so I mean object name. So user 03451 slash then program name pgm01. Okay, if I call no parameter but the user message should come. See, it's already saying here, welcome to my first CL programming. So if you just enter, it will come out. So why it comes means the program source code is already saying that we send the user message to the current user. That's it. So this is CL programming. So later we see that COBOL programming. But here another thing, if you we already said that this one uh, object work object can see like this, correct? So if the object is not there, okay, if I delete the object, for to delete, if deleted, the program is already deleted. Assume if I the program is already there, the program is already there, okay, but the object is not there. Object, if you put work object again, you cannot see the object. So if you don't have object, if you try to call the same program again, it will say the object cannot found. See, program pgm01 in library, this user 03451 is not found, correct? So I think guys you understand now what is mean by program and what is mean by object. Okay, so if I now if you put work object, nothing is there. So if you compile the program, you can see the object, correct? So the source code is always supposed to be compiled. So let me compile and end this section first. 14 F4 and enter. Okay, so in this way also you can do, or else you can say create, sorry, what F4, correct? So you can use this command also, like create clpgm, then give the source member, source physical file, everything. You guys try again, try yourself. Okay, now I already created. If you see, it's already created. So if you call again also, it's going to be a pgm 01. Okay, it's come already. Let's see. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please follow me. I try to improve myself, and I try to teach for others, those who want to learn cobalt 400. I know still I never started cobalt 400, but sure, next video I will start. Thank you. Bye bye.